So guys, here are the materials. First, we need the water. Glass that will act as a beaker or any other container. We also need a funnel. Sand or soil. Spoon as a stirrer. And lastly, we are going to use a filter paper. To create the mixture, first we need to mix sand and water. And also, we need to stir it so that the sand and water will be properly mixed. So now, we just need to wait for a couple of minutes until some sand particles settle at the bottom of the water.
A few minutes later.
And as you can see, some sand particles tend to suspend at the bottom due to gravity. This process is called sedimentation.
Sedimentation is the process of allowing particles in suspension in water to settle out of the suspension under the effect of gravity. The solid particles that settle down at the bottom of the container are known as sediments.
So after the sedimentation process, we need to separate the top layer of the mixture from the sediments at the bottom through transferring it to the other container. This process is called decantation.
Decantation is the process of separation of liquid from solid and other immiscible liquids by removing the liquid layer at the top from the layer of solid or liquid below. The process can be carried out by tilting the mixture after pouring out the top layer.
After decantation, we still need to remove the remaining small sand particles from the water through a filter medium.
Filtration, the process in which solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of a filter medium that allows the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles.
So now, we are going to use a filter paper with the help of a funnel. This is how you fold and use a filter paper. After that, we are now going to pour the water mixed with small sand particles into the funnel and filter paper. The sand particles that you can see in the filter paper is called residue, while the filtered water is called filtrate. So now, we are going to wait until the entire mixture is filtered.
One eternity later.
So after sedimentation, decantation, and filtration, this is now the result.